Oh my god.
Is that it? That was my toweling alarm.
Look, get out, get out.
Snow gets really tough when she's under the table.
Look, good, good, jump, jump. Look, good. Looky. Hey, come here, come here, come
How are you doing? Okay.
Yeah, that was the man. Okay, I'm all barked out.
Hey guys, welcome back. Second video of the day. Wednesday the 23rd. I'm pretty sure it's the 23rd. So yeah, happy to be able to film 2 videos for you guys. Ah, there you go, baby. Good boy. Oh, we got a Great Dane right there. I think it's still a puppy. Beautiful dog.
Oh, with this.
Bye, take care. Oh, more dogs coming in. It's like German Shepherds and the Husky. Baby!
Hold on.
Bodie, come here. Clear the gate. Bodie, this way. Let's go. Come on. Good boy. No.
Kan vi ikke lave sådan noget?
Baldy, come this way. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. No. Baldy, leave it. Come on. Baldy, come. Come on. Let's go. Now, I want to try to keep them clear of that gate because sometimes when dogs come in, that's when fights can break out. No. Come here. Ooh. All right, guys, since I'm over here, I just want to show these dogs, missing dogs. A cry for help from our fur baby, Silly. Silly is an Australian Shepherd, black with a red collar. Silly has been missing for 2 weeks now. We miss her very much. By the way, this has been up for over a month, maybe a couple of months, so it's been longer than that. And then there's a phone number, call or text for Silly. And then this one right here, I think that's a Nikita or Nikita mix. And that is the number right there that you need to call if you've seen this Akita dog. All right, guys, so that's it for the missing wall. So hopefully, maybe those dogs have been reunited with the owners. I mean, the flyers aren't down, so maybe they're still missing. But yeah, this is definitely more dogs than usual. I would say we have about maybe a dozen dogs in here right now. I would say probably the most right now is Huskies, then German Shepherds. Quite a number of German Shepherds. It's like 3 German Shepherds, a Great Dane, a Doberman. Let's see, some sort of, I guess that's a lab mix. This one right here. And yeah, some sort of, I don't know what that little white dog is over there. Yeah, I have no clue what that one is. Hey, no, leave it. No. Hey. Why is that so interesting? I guess maybe a dog peed right there or something. But he's finding it interesting. Okay, I guess he's going to leave his scent. So. But yeah, guys, it looks like we're going to wrap up. Pleasure to bring you yet another video. Hopefully you guys found it interesting. Hopefully you'll give it the thumbs up, and also if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. More videos are coming. Trying to get these videos out on a more regular basis. So just know that we appreciate you all, and we hope that we'll see you on the next episode of Bodie's World. Everyone stay safe and take care. Bodie, this way! Come on, Bodie. Good boy.